How to create a PayPal account. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a PayPal account. PayPal is a widely used payment platform that allows you to send, receive, and manage your money online securely. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the PayPal website at paypal.com. You'll see options to log in or sign up. Since we're creating a new account, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. You'll need to choose between a personal or business account. If you're looking to shop online or send money to friends and family, select personal. And if you plan to sell products or services, go with business. After selecting, click on continue. Now, fill out the required information including your email address and password. Make sure to use a strong password for security. Once you've entered your details, click next. Next, you'll need to enter your personal details like your name, address, and phone number. This information is crucial for account verification and security. After filling everything out, click on Next. PayPal will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. So go to your email inbox, find the email from PayPal, and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. This step is essential to activate your account. Once your email is confirmed, you can link your bank account or credit or debit card to your PayPal account. This step allows you to add funds or make payments. To do this, follow the prompts to enter your bank or card details, then click Link Card or Bank. And that's it. You've successfully created your PayPal account. Now you can start sending and receiving money easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances online. Thanks for watching.